The question of whether Neanderthals had the ability to speak and engage in complex language is a topic of ongoing scientific debate. Unfortunately, since Neanderthals lived tens of thousands of years ago and left no written records, researchers have to rely on indirect evidence and comparisons with modern humans and other hominin species to make inferences about their linguistic abilities. The anatomy of the Neanderthal vocal tract, including the shape of the vocal tract and the position of the larynx, has been a subject of study. Some researchers argue that these anatomical features suggest that Neanderthals would have had a different vocal range and speech capabilities compared to modern humans. However, others suggest that the anatomical differences may not have been significant enough to rule out the possibility of Neanderthal speech. Genetic studies have also provided some insights into Neanderthal language abilities. In 2019, researchers discovered a specific gene called FOXP2 that is associated with language and speech in modern humans. They found that Neanderthals possessed the same variant of the FOXP2 gene as modern humans, suggesting that they may have had similar linguistic abilities. Another line of evidence comes from archaeological findings. Researchers have discovered evidence of symbolic behavior among Neanderthals, such as cave paintings, personal ornamentation, and the deliberate burial of their dead. These activities imply some level of cognitive complexity and possibly the presence of language or other forms of communication. While the current scientific consensus leans towards the view that Neanderthals likely had some form of communication system, it is challenging to determine the exact nature and complexity of their language. Further research and discoveries are needed to provide a more definitive answer to the question of Neanderthal speech capabilities.